Mbukeli we-BMK YouTube Production sawubona igama lami uNolwazi uphilile wakaGadebe intatheli yakwintokozo FM laphayana eMlazi namhlanje ke sila eSidara ePietermaritzburg eSidara head office simenywe nguHonorable Thami Ntuli ukuthi sizozibonela ukwethulwa kwezimoto zikahulumeni njengoba uzibonakela emva kwami namhlanje sizokwazi kabanzi ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani zizokwenzani lezi imoto emphakathini wethu thina sizosiza kanjani ake sibabone.
Today is a significant day in the government of KwaZulu-Natal, in particular in the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development, as we are unveiling the quite strategic move by the department to enhance the work of agriculture so that we turn KwaZulu-Natal green by ensuring that all the technocrats or the officials are able to reach all corners of our province, making their work to be easy so that we achieve the vision of the Oro MEC Kamadlokamthetho of Agriculture, the vision of our government as the province of KwaZulu-Natal. Therefore, on behalf of the Oro MEC and the government of KwaZulu-Natal, cutting the ribbon, which is a gesture of actually unveiling the 100 new cars that have been procured to ensure that the work of the Agriculture and Rural Development Department is enhanced. And on top of that, we'll be unveiling 24 tractors that are meant to ensure that they turn KwaZulu-Natal green. And I know that I hear a voice whispering in my ears saying more tractors are coming for the people of KwaZulu-Natal, and KwaZulu-Natal is going to be green. The issue of food security is going to be history in KwaZulu-Natal, and this is the year of achieving that. I've said the first 12 months or the first year in this government was for ensuring stability, was for ensuring that systems are there for our government, they are oiled. And this year is the year of action to turn around all the challenges that this government have been faced with for a number of years. And part of the evidence that this is the year of action, in fact, the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development, they are the pioneers of action because they are the first, in fact, to demonstrate that this year is the year of action. So we are cutting the ribbon with the purpose of unveiling to the people of this province that agriculture is coming. These cars are coming to you, to listen to you, to respond to your call. We understand as government that we are the government of the people, meaning that we must listen to the people, we must deliver the expectations of the people, and this year is the year of delivering the expectations of the people in this province. And I congratulate the department, congratulate yourself as the officials for turning the vision of the MEC into a practicality, because this was her vision and then you have turned the vision into a reality. Now we can touch, we can feel the action by the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development. I know that HOD, we are still going to respond to one question. Rural development. I now see agriculture, but there is a question, rural development. I want to see the plan. I know that one, it crisscross the departments, but you must champion the program so that all of us will follow you to say we mustn't be strong in agriculture and not be strong on the other aspect of the department. I just wanted, I was doing in fact what was not meant to do, but I've done it. The MEC will pardon me for that. Thank you very much. Can you clap hands for the MEC? what she did not send me to do. Logandaganda enibabona bonke laba bangamashumi amane nane abazokwenza ukuthi KwaZulu Natal ibehlaza ngoba bonke ama-district KwaZulu Natal abogandaganda bazophuma basabalale nabo bayolekelela imvushwane ebivele ikhona ukuze wonke umuntu alime. Umhlonishwa ungqongqoshe njengoba enohlelo lokuthi umuzi nomuzi awube nengadi, enohlelo lokuthi isonto nesonto libe nengadi, enohlelo lokuthi iklinikhi neklinikhi ayiba nengadi, ekhuthaza ezolimo. Akakhuthazi kuphela napho ogandaganda namhlanje abathulayo bathulela abantu bakwaZulu Natal. Ayikho ke enye into engayishayela ihlombe mina njengoNdunankulu njengokubona kukhona umnyango owenza imanga ezingaka wenze izibukwayo njengoba ungqongqoshe waZulu Natal enze izibukwayo niyibonela namhlanje lo msebenzi lona azowenza. Ngakho ke sesiyasika nansi rebhini yokuthi sebengangena ko driver bahambe bayolimela abantu bakwaZulu Natal, balindile abantu emakhaya, alindile amakhosi, alinde kube kuzolinywa. Uhulumeni waZulu Natal uyasebenza. Lo nyaka vele unyaka wezenzo, unyaka odlule bekunyaka wokwakha uzinzo. Lo nyaka lo unyaka ukuthi kubonakala ama-actions ukuthi uhulumeni uyishintsha kanjani impilo zabantu. Akukho ukudlula lokhu. Ngokusemthethweni ke sesiyasika ribbon sithi abangene no driver bahambe bayolima emakhaya.
Today is a historical event in the province of KwaZulu-Natal, especially in Department of Agriculture and Rural Development. Here we've bought 100 vehicles and vans, including small cars, and also 24 tractors. The reason why we're doing that is that our extension officers were informing us that they can't go out to work because they don't have a transport, and also some of the cars were stolen, some were old, not easily to be repaired. Then we decided to make that. We said when I arrived in the office, I said we want to see KZN green. Then myself and the Premier were here today to witness that. We have bought these cars so that the communities are assisted. We have hectares of land that are unused because there are no enough resources. But from today we are saying everything is up and we are now fit and happy that we are delivering these to the districts. And I'm also appealing to my communities or the communities of farmers that whenever they want to be assisted, they have to go to their local offices because these are going to be free. Nobody is going to be charging when they are using the departmental tractors. And also we have some mechanism of making sure that we can easily track where the tractors are working, and also because we are having some mechanism to make sure that we are going to be after those that want to steal, because most of the time our cars were hijacked. But we have some systems in place. We have some monitoring and evaluation systems. We have risk systems, but some that we are going to be using, I'm not going to mention here so that I don't tell the thieves or those people that can plan against us. But we are saying when these cars or these tools are in the various districts, we are pleading with the local councillors, ward councillors, Izinduna and Amakosi to work with us, because it's the tools are not ours. These are taxpayers' money. And if it's a taxpayers' money, we want them to be the eyes and ears of the department, because we have a problem of food security in the province.
Njengoba usuzwileke nawe lapha embukeli ekhaya weBMK Youth Production useshilo lapha umama MEC kwaZulu Natal ukuthi labo gandaganda bazophuma basize kanjani emphakathini ukushilo nokuthi kwaZulu Natal izophenduka ibe lihlaza njengoba kuzophuma lezi izimoto nogandaganda bayolekelela ekuthenini abantu bakwaZulu Natal basimame baphokophele phambili bakwazi ukuthi bayilimele izophuma emakhaya ezindaweni eziningi ezahlukahlukene ukuze ikwaZulu Natal ithuthuke iye phezulu. Ubonileke lapha umnomzane uThami Ntuli uPremier kwaZulu Natal ehambisana naye umama uThembeni kaMadlopha Mthethwa belapha besika iribhini betetela lezi yazimoto ukuthi ziphume zize emphakathini zizosiza mina nawe zizothola ukuthi ubani odinga usize emiphi imphakathi edinga labo gandaganda abaningi kanje ukuthi basize emphakathini yethu sithuthuke. Ilokhu ke bese kufathele kona kwanamhlanje igama lami uNolwazi uphilile wakaGadebe intatheli kwintokozo FM ngila ePMB sikulethela zona njengoba zinjalo.